Right, let me show you what your patrons are going to see because I'm a patron of only one current YouTube channel, but I'm going to start looking to become a patron of more. Um, when you come to the patron side, this YouTube channel called Under the Cosh, they said, look, it's costing us a lot of money to do our channel. We're not making as much money on YouTube as we need. Would you consider becoming a patron and helping us out? And they had a $2 and a let's go here. They had a $2 and a $5 option. I think. Let's have a. I'm not sure because I'm logged in. I'm not sure if I can see the tiers of. Let's go here. Right, let's just try this. Da, da. So let's go on a logged out browser. So here we go. So Under the Cosh said on their video, there's three of us. We're driving all over the country recording this podcast, and I listen to it every Monday morning or every Tuesday morning. It is now, but the members get it every Monday morning, and they get an extra members episode, 2 episodes a month thing. So I'm like, that's fine. I'll pay $5, $6 a month, whatever it is. So they've got the. I think this is including tax. This is why it's a bit of a funky value. Well, I think it's £5. I think they made it £2, £5, but the exchange rate makes it into dollars, right? So here we go. Under the Cosh, £2 per month, £2.70, $2.70 for Under the Cosh, and you're going to get two totally exclusive extra episodes a month, which I just said, in both video and audio. Early bird notice on tickets, so they do a lot of after dinner speeches where they get a live guest. You're gonna get the early options on those tickets once you subscribe. Blah blah blah. Please no, that's all right. For the £5 one, extra have a whole plethora of extra bonuses. Each week you get episodes with 24 hours release, monthly side stories, so they're going to give you extra videos. Super early bird access, so you get early bird access on the first tier. Entered into a monthly draw on the podcast to win a prize. Tickets, Under the Cosh mug, signed football shirt, DVD player. So they have a bit of a monthly giveaway for top tier members, and again some information when you've signed up. So I signed up for the top tier because I watch them 2.5 hours, 3 hours a week, and I want the lads to carry on and a good crack. So inside here is the access to early access video. So they might say this one's going out tomorrow. Here's the audio. So this one here is a members only. But if you click on it, it's a YouTube video, right? But if you go to YouTube, it's actually just an unlisted video. So all you've got to do, and I'll revisit this as a members option, is make the video unlisted and then just share it in your members area. Right? Same with the audio. Here's live tickets. So here's the previous discounted live tickets. So you've got a live event with England footballer Ray Parlour. Get your tickets here, and you get a discounted ticket. Right? It's past this, isn't it? So it probably won't show up. But it would say it's a £25 ticket. You get £5 off. So for my $5 membership, I'm getting £5 off a ticket. And again, you can communicate directly with your patrons. You get your emails. You get this email here, look, Under the Cosh, new membership episode, listen now. New private membership episode, listen now. $5 a month they get off me, or whatever it is after tax. What did I say? What does it say? $7 a month, £5 a month, but it's £6.45, and there may be tax on top of that as well. Yeah, it's £5 plus VAT. It's costing me £6 a month, right? That's what your patrons are going to see, and you're going to see inside your area 44 unlocked posts. These are posts that only members can see, right? Direct messages, so I can send you a message. You can message Under Cosh on Patreon, so I can send you direct messages. I'm paying for that extra level. Notifications and things like that. So it's really cool. It's really easy for your patrons to use, and they're going to get a huge amount of value.